Hello, welcome to this video which will walk you through the process of building your first project inside of InLinks. So once you access your InLinks account, you can create a project for your website by clicking here on this button, create a project. So as an example for this video, I will take the InLinks.com website, and I'm going to take the domain of the site, which is InLinks.com, and then click here on create a project. Then put the domain name on this field, and then I need to choose the target market. So once you click on this menu, you will see that several target markets are available within of InLinks. You can see English, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and so on. On InLinks, you can see that we also have other markets for the Spanish language, Spain, Venezuela, and so on. French for France, Belgium, the German markets, Polish, Dutch, and Portuguese for Portugal and Brazil. So far, these are the markets that are currently available within of InLinks. So from here, you need to choose the target market. If you have an international website, let's say .com website, you may need to select the English United States market, which is like for an international website. If you have a site specifically for a country, let's say the United Kingdom, you should select the United Kingdom, and same thing for Canada and all the other countries you see here on this list. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to choose English United States, since InLinks.com is an international website. So I'm going to choose English United States and then click on next. Then the tool will show you how many pages it has detected for the website in the SERPs. InLinks also gives you a proposal to start with a specific number of pages. You can see on this menu here that you can start a project from scratch. Then you can click on OK, and then you can build a project from scratch. And from this list, you can specify the number of pages that are lower than these initial pages here number that you can start up with a project. So you can see you can start with 20 pages, 50 pages here, or 100 pages, or 200. So let's go ahead and choose, for instance, a project with 50 pages. So these will be the 50 pages that bringing the most organic traffic to the website. And then I'm going to here to click on OK, and then click on proceed. So once I do this, the InLinks NLP is going to build a knowledge graph of topics. So this is where the tool analyzes the content within of these 50 pages and recognizes what are the most important topics that are appearing within of these pages here. So the creation of this knowledge graph will serve for other features that you will see inside of the InLinks Academy, including interlinking and interlinking automation and schema automation. But as of now, all you need to understand is that the tool is understanding the topics that are appearing within the content of these pages that you select initially upon the project creation. Once inside your project, you can see all the pages the tool has analyzed on this tab, website pages. And if you wish to manually add pages into the project, you can click here on this button, add pages. And then from here, you can bring in pages by bulk from this list, or you can individually select pages to be added into the project. Alternatively, if you have a list of URLs that you'd like to add in manually, you can do so by pasting your list of URLs here in this field, and then click on save in the project. So that is essentially how you build your project inside of InLinks. Other features are explained on other videos inside of the InLinks Academy. I'd like to thank you very much for your attention.